The People's National Congress Reform is raising its voice over the $35 million contract signed with a German-based company for a single electronic identification system. Speaking at the party's weekly press conference, opposition leader and leader of the PNCR, Aubrey Norton, said what is most worrying was that there was no consultation, no parliamentary review, no new legislation, and no proper public procurement procedure.
This question of national registration falls under the Elections Commission. You have a law governing national registration, the first thing. The second thing, what do you do with the present ID card? Are there going to be two sets of ID cards in a world where you're trying to synchronize identification so that there be one that is linked all around? Then there is the question of procurement. I want to know if Guyanese know that this middleman is the same middleman that the government went through to buy the Sputnik vaccines that cost us double the price that we should have paid for it. Now, clearly this is another corruption scheme.
Norton feels that there are cheaper options.
We were engaging some people overseas, and the information that is emerging is that there are cheaper options. Now, why have you single sourced this? Why is it you sign an agreement, then come and tell the Guyanese people there was no indication before? Have we abandoned the Procurement Commission? Has Second Vice President Barra Jackdio become our Procurement Commission? I don't think so. And so it must also be a violation of our procurement laws. And the Vice President merely saying that it is legal doesn't make it legal. Who are the other persons that tended to get this particular contract? There are a lot of issues here that must be addressed. Put all of that aside. What gives the right to the Second Vice President Barra Jackdio to determine critical matters involving millions of dollars outside of the parliament, a parliament which he doesn't attend? He shows contempt for the Parliament of Guyana. He doesn't attend, and as a logical sequel, it does appear that he does not believe there's a role for the Parliament on these issues.